Okay, good morning. I am going platinum today. It's an exciting day. I got these products from Sally Hansen yesterday. I usually just buy the kits, but I wanted to get like the professional stuff. I think I spent $30 and I got the mixing bowl and brush. And then I bought a hair mask. And then they gave us a sample to repair your hair. So, and I've never used a hair mask, so I'm excited for that. But what you do is, if you want to go really light, this lifts up to 9 levels. And I've done platinum years and years ago, and I want to go back platinum, so we'll see how this turns out. In my last video, y'all seen I wanted to lighten my hair, but I want it more lightened. But I need to take my necklace off that my daughter got for me. It says Mama. I don't want to mess it up. So we're going to take this off. I'm going to brush my hair really quick. Then we're going to mix the product. She said at Sally Hansen to do like 2 ounces of each mixed together. So, okay, my necklace was about to go in the sink. So it has in the mixing bowl the ounces. I don't know if y'all can see right inside there. It says, wait, oh yeah, 2, 4, and 6 ounces right here. So I have to go by that. So I'm gonna, and this smells like mangoes, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put about 2 ounces in here. Let's see. Okay, I should have got the clear bowl so y'all could see. I should have got, yeah. I didn't know if I was going to film this or not. So I have that. And then you want to mix it with a developer. So I just went ahead and got the 20 Salon Care developer. And I'm going to mix it in here with that. I'm just going to put about the same amount that I put in as powder. So I'm going to mix it with this brush. And then I got to find me some gloves. I have gloves. And I'll just keep checking the strands. So I'm just mixing this now. And if it takes more, I'll do more. I mean, I did cut my hair. I made a video on that. I'll link that video down below if you want to see that. But it's still kind of long. So I may need more than this. Okay. So let me find my gloves and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so I think I have it the right consistency. And I found my glove. So actually, usually when I do my hair, I start at the end and work my way up. So, oh gosh, y'all, here goes nothing. I'm scared because I'm scared it's going to be like a 2 platinum. But we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, I think it's just better. It's always easier to use the glove. But the brush is good for mixing. Well, it might be good for the top to use the brush. Let me see. I mean, I need to put more on. Yeah, the brush is good for like doing the roots at the top of your hair like that. So I'm going to cover my whole hair and then I will be back. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just getting small strands of hair. I'm starting at the ends and just working my way up. I can only find 1 glove. And today is an exciting day because my daughter is going to her first prom, and I will have a video on that. So y'all stay tuned for that. So exciting. And I'll show y'all everything we got in an upcoming video. But I want to get this out for you guys today. So this video will be up today. The prom video will probably be up tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Maybe tonight. Tonight or tomorrow. We'll see how busy the day gets. But so yeah, I'm just gonna do like this on my whole hair, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, you guys, I've got my whole hair. This is how it's looking so far. It's gonna be really, really platinum. And my daughter helped me do the back. So yeah, at 10 o'clock, it's like 9:43 a.m. At 10 a.m. I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna use, they said at Sally Hansen, this is the best hair mask for a color like this. And once again, I use this toner, and I use this blonde that lists 9 levels, and I got it at Sally Hansen. And I am naturally brunette, and we are going with this, and I will see y'all in a bit. Well, yeah, I'll see y'all to show y'all the final results, because I'm gonna rinse and everything and then put the hair mask on, and then we'll see the final results. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 more minutes, and I will see y'all soon. Okay, this is the final result. I love it, love it, love it. And after this, we will be doing a prom get ready with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my prom vlog.